Hey there, here's how to screen record your Windows 11 computer, and best of all, it's totally free. We start by going to the search bar and type in snipping for snipping tool. Once it comes up, click on it. This launches the app. Now you can see it's currently on snip, which is the camera. We'll click the icon beside it, which is for record. And you can tell it's selected because it has a blue line underneath. Now to select an area to record, we click New and just drag the cursor across the screen. You can move this around, and if you change your mind, just press Escape, go to New, and if you want to capture the whole screen, start in a corner and drag to the opposite corner. Once ready, we have the start button. We also have a microphone button so you can unmute the mic. We have a button for mute system sound, which you can unmute if you so wish. Next, we'll go to start. It gives us a countdown. We have the red light, which lets us know it's recording right now. So let's just create a little bit of movement and we'll stop this. As it says here, screen recordings are automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. Let's play back this video. And we can see that movement. It's recorded successfully. So let's go to this screen recordings folder. Just on the left-hand side, I have videos. And just here, screen recordings. And right here is the recording.